How to set a music ringtone on an Android phone. First of all, you need to open your settings application. After opening the application, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. From here, you need to click on the ringtone option. Now select your SIM number and then click on the plus icon that you see in the top right corner. Here, all the songs, voice notes, or any music files on your mobile will appear. From here, you need to select any music file of your choice. Here you can also listen to it, and after that you need to click on done here. Now you can see that our music has been set as the ringtone. So in this way you can also set any music as your ringtone on an Android phone. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to press the bell icon.